Hello, my name is Albert with Fast Bid Auctions.
We got the Land Hero mini skid steer, 23 horsepower V-twin engine. Got auxiliary hookups right there. Run all the attachments on there. Nice little LED light right there. Horn.
Very nice, very nice. LED gauges,
Hydraulic cooling right there.
LED light. It also has a cooling fan. Keep it nice and cool.
827 pounds. Lifting capacity. Come check us out. Sundays, 7 p.m. Fast Bid Auctions.